Hello again, it's me, Brittany. I'm apparently in a very big Paramore kick tonight. I just sang, what did I just sing? Hallelujah, yeah. So now I'm going to sing When It Rains, another great song that I love. I don't know what it has to do, why tonight I'm in such a big Paramore mode, like, that I want to sing them. I don't know if it has to do with them having a female lead singer, or if it's just, whatever. Just me enjoying them in any such way or being able to actually sing it. So I'm actually going to sing When It Rains now, and another amazing song that I love. I think more so having to do with the words, not really positive. So we're going to give that a shot, and we're going to do this. Again, awkward silences, it happens, but I'm going to sing, and that's all that matters, right? That's what I'm saying. It's all that matters. Turn it up a little bit. My voice can get loud, so whatever. And when it rains on this side of town, it touches everything. Just say it again and mean it. You don't miss a thing. You made yourself a bed at the bottom of the blackest hole, and convinced yourself that it's not the reason you don't see the sun anymore. And oh, how could you do it? Oh, I never saw it coming. Oh, I need the ending, so why can't you stay just long enough to explain? And when it rains, will you always find an escape? Just running away from all of the ones who love you, from everything. You made yourself a bed at the bottom of the blackest hole, and you'll sleep till May, and you'll say that you don't wanna see the sun anymore. And oh, how could you do it? Oh, I never saw it coming. Oh, I need the ending, so why can't you stay just long enough to explain? Your time. Take my time. Take these chances to turn it around. Just take these chances, we'll make it somehow. And take these chances to turn it around. Just turn it around. No, how could you do it? Oh, I never saw it coming. Oh, how could you do it? Oh, I never saw it coming. Oh, how could you do it? Oh, I never saw it coming. Oh, I need an ending, so why can't you stay just long enough to explain? You can take your time, take my time. Well, that was enjoyable. Love that song. Hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye.